Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a collab. I'm participating in the Saturday brunch party Tablescape. This collab is hosted by Shanji from Shanji's Living Life to the Fullest, and she has two awesome co-hosts, the fabulous Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget, Tammy from Me, Myself, and DIY in It. The ladies, like I said, have awesome content. You'll find inspiration for doing DIYs and awesome tablescapes. Make sure you check my description box for these ladies' channels and the link to the playlist. So the rules for this collab is that you be subscribed to all the host channels, mention the host and the playlist in your video, link their channels and the playlist, title your video Spring Saturday Brunch Tablescape, and use the hashtag Spring Saturday Brunch. Upload date was to be today at 8 a.m. and I know I'm a little late, but here we are. And the last rule was to have fun, and that's just what I did. I had so much fun creating this tablescape, guys. So I'm going to give you a brief overview of how my tablescape came out. I decided to do something a little different. Usually I decorate my breakfast nook or my formal dining room. I decided to use my bar area to complete this Saturday brunch party tablescape. So once again, I'm going to give you an overview of the look, and then I'm going to go over everything with you guys. And they also ask that you include a menu for your tablescape. I decided to go with blue, and I used the plates that I used in another tablescape, and I used my clear plates. Really quickly, I'm going to show you how I set my place setting. I always like to do that with you guys. So I started off with my galvanized charger, and I used my clear plates that I got from where did I get these from? Oh, the Dollar Tree. And I also used the plates, the decorative plates that I got from Big Lots, and you saw these in a previous video. And then on top of that, I just placed another clear salad plate, which you can still see the design of the plate come through. And then I created this little DIY napkin holder. I just used some leftover flowers and greenery that I had and created this napkin ring for the settings. Right here, guys, is a arrangement that I made. I made 3 of them. As you can see, this is the second one, and this is the other one. If I was having an actual brunch, these will be given to my guests as gifts or parting favors. I just thought that was so neat. So I made 3 of them because I have 3 settings. And here is my little drink here. And I have the little sign. And right here is my menu. And as you see for my menu, I'm having juice, fruit, coffee cake, and apple turnovers. Very simple. This is a simple Saturday brunch. So as you see, I have my fruit, my coffee cake, and the apple turnovers. These candles right here, I got them from the Dollar Tree, and I love them, guys. It's just something so pretty and delicate about these candles, and I placed them along my counter here. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, this is just a simple Saturday brunch set up, and I really do love how everything came out. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you like how everything came out, because I really do. Make sure you go over to the other ladies' channel and show them lots of love, and Make sure you hit that playlist link and check out all the participants that are participating in this collab. You will not be disappointed. And before you leave this channel, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. If you're coming over from any of the other ladies' channel and you enjoy what you have seen so far, please hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. And once you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. And also, while you're here, I would love if you share the video, comment, like. It would be gladly appreciated. And as always, guys, please stay blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.